I've blown 4 out of the 6 evaluation accounts that I share with you guys on YouTube, and it all happened now after the London stream. So if you want to know what happened exactly, just stay tuned. There is some details to it, and this is going to be a raw video, no special editing or something. I'm just gonna talk out of my mind and let you guys know what happened exactly. Okay, so the thing that happened, this was a difficult London session for me. It was a very choppy and tight range, and my analysis was that we should be continuing up. I was pretty much long biased, so I was in a position with micros, and I was copy trading through all my 6 evaluation accounts. And so the chop was very annoying. So as it started to drop after a few, well, I was watching it for an hour, something like that, and it started to drop a little bit, a few points. So I decided, okay, I might try to scalp it. So that's what I tried to do. And it started with a huge error, and that's where things got very serious. Just like last time, I wanted to go in with 5 micros. So I pushed the button with 5. It said 5 contracts. So I was on my mini chart again, and I pushed it for 5 minis. And the things that happened, what I'm about to tell you, it happened in about 3 seconds or 4 maximum. 3 to 4 seconds, try to imagine. I pushed 5 mini contracts. The first thing I realized when I looked to the left is I have my accounts tab to my left on my left monitor screen, down at the bottom. I used to see at least 6 lines, 6 accounts. And the first second I looked down and I saw that's not enough. I mean, that's like 4. And that was like 1 second. Like, what the hell is going on? So another second, I look up and I don't even know what I was looking. I was checking the chart or something, and then immediately realized after 2 seconds that I was on the mini Nasdaq on Bulenox, because I use Bulenox as my main account. So I soon realized I was on minis, and this was like 3 seconds after I pushed the button. I immediately looked to the right, tried to see what's going on, what the heck is. I looked back down to my open positions tab, and at the 4th second, just when I entered to a long position, by the way, this was a long position, Nasdaq started to move down like 5-6 points, So this was about 4 seconds, and by the time I realized the huge mess that I caused to myself, I was down about $600-ish, per each account. Oh, this was 4 account again, because the My Funded Futures account and the Bulenox, the My Funded Futures account has a scaling plan with 2 mini contracts, so I don't even know how that happened. And the Bulenox end of day trading stop account, I don't know what the hell happened. The thing is that the trade didn't go through to the My Funded Futures account because of the scaling plan, sorry, I can't even talk. And that's why it didn't open up. Maybe it was 5 accounts, not 6. When the first trade opened up, I don't even remember. And what I did is I closed it. I closed all the loss. It was about 600 with commissions and everything. It was about 600 something dollars in a loss per account. So by that time I was already down about $100 ish, 120. So overall on every account I was down about $800 or something like that, 50k accounts. So I was down pretty bad, and my funded futures account survived this carnage. And what happened is, now this was the point where I should have walked away. And this is, from this point on, what happened. It's absolutely my fault. Absolutely, it's not the strategy. So I'm not going to strategy hop or start all over again, some new strategy. No. It was the thing that happened after this. It was all due to my mental inability to continue trading throughout the rest of the time. So what I tried to do, I was extremely frustrated, extreme fear, extreme frustration, and everything. And you know, guys, what happens? I was down, like my Apex account, my new Apex account was pretty much down below the 50k threshold or something like that. I don't know. The Bulenox accounts, which we YOLO'd together with Methodical Man last Friday. Now those accounts, I'm not really sorry that much, because 2 of those Bulenox accounts were YOLO'd with 7 contracts on last Friday when the sale was going on. So, but the Apex accounts, I'm really sorry for, because but the thing that happened is I tried to scalp my way with minis, not micros, minis. I left the My Funded Futures account alone. The Bulenox end of day trailing stop account, which has a daily stop out level, reached my daily stop level, which is $1,100. So the Bulenox account so far, the end of day trailing drawdown, survived. The My Funded Futures account survived. But the 2 Apex accounts and the 2 Bulenox accounts that were having no daily loss limit, and you can pretty much go with 7 contracts on those accounts. So I blow them. I tried to scalp my way out of the hole, pushing it with 2 and 3 minis in the chop zone. I was pushing it with 3 minis. I don't even remember what the hell was I doing. I chopped myself up. You know, when I got down to, like, I was like only a few $100s away from the account being blown. Maybe you guys have never experienced it, I guess, but there comes the time when you say F it, you know, just F it. You just want to get on with it. You just want to get through with it. And I guess that's what happened. I just wanted to get on with it, and I pushed the button, and I blow them all. I mean the four accounts. And I wasn't really sorry about the Bulenox, and I wasn't. So it was not about for me, after the accounts have been blown, it was not about the account itself. It was about the whole thing that I'm doing, the YouTube channel, and the whole thing that I'm trying to be transparent with you guys. I'm preaching about risk management. I'm trying to look smart on YouTube, and sometimes I may say good things, but the human error is just terrible. So, as I said, I don't even know what to say. I tried to assure myself that those 2 Bulenox accounts were YOLO'd anyway last Friday. But the Apex accounts, I was working with, one of the Apex accounts, I was actually being recharged for an extra month for the discount. And I would advise, by the the same thing for you guys. If you bought an evaluation account for a very good discount price and you blow it, don't cancel the account because the discount price can stay. But I got recharged a few days ago, and I was having 52,000, so 2,000 in profit on that Apex account. And the main thing I was really frustrated was the time. I put in at least a month. My funded futures account I started the middle of last month. Apex sometime the same, and I throw out the Apex account on the window, and what I'm really sorry for is the time and the effort that I put into that account. I was trading it with micros. I was using very good risk management with the micros, really. And all it takes for a trader to lose your mind is just to make an error. And this is how fast you can fall down, even from a funded evaluation, whatever. This is how fast it can happen. So it was not about the market. It was not even about the error of pushing the button. It can happen to anyone. I mean, pushing the wrong button. The main error that I made, the main mistake, I should have go on with the day with about $800 of loss per each account. I should have just walked away. And worst case scenario, my Apex account would have stayed around 51K. At least one of my Bulenox accounts would have stayed also around 51K. And now I'm down minus 4 accounts. And it really puts me to a lot of pressure. I mean, I think I'm putting myself onto a lot of pressure anyway, but, you know, I like pressure. Traders must, you know, align with pressure. But trading on YouTube and sharing my results, especially in the daily recap videos, it's extra pressure. The stream is extra pressure. The daily recap videos are extra pressure. And it's hard. But of course, the show must go on, and I will go on with the trades. So nothing is stopping, guys. The My Funded Futures account, originally, by the way, if you're still watching, I hope you do. Originally, I started the live streaming recently this year with the My Funded Futures account and the Bulenox account. So I started out with 2. You can look back to the streams. And then added 2 more Apex accounts. And last Friday, I added the 2 more Bulenox accounts. So originally, there was 2 accounts that I was willing to share with you guys. And, you know, it was looking good on the daily recap videos. When I was doing the thumbnails, you know, like, oh, look at that. Now I can write to the thumbnail plus 1,000 whatever profit, or plus 600, even minus 700. That's cool, you know, because it's 6 accounts or 4 accounts, whatever. Now I'm done pretty much at least 8,000 or something, even more. So there's no one to blame here, not the market, not even Quant Tower or whatever. I blame myself because I was continuing to trade like this. And I'm going to continue tomorrow as well. I'm going to buy new evaluation accounts, of course. I really wanted to prove to you guys that, you know, with proper risk management, you can get funded. It's partially still a thing with my funded futures account. But guys, today was a real slap in the face for me. It was a real slap in the face. And I really hope, hold on, let me check something. I really hope that you guys don't see me in a bad way because of this. I never said I'm a pro trader. I will continue on this path, and nothing is changing, basically. Nothing is changing. Everything is still on track. The thing is, now I'm down to 2 accounts. Actually, the Bulenox account, the end of day trading account, is it's pretty much down. I left with around maybe $700 of threshold to trade, maybe even maybe 6. I don't know, maybe less, because of the minis. By the time I got taken out from the position, I was already slipped like 2 points or something like that. So, but the My Funded Futures account it's a little bit down today, but it's okay, and I'm gonna continue with that. I might buy 2 more Apex accounts, but maybe only from next week. Not that I couldn't, but I'm not sure if I should add more accounts at this point to the live stream, to the daily recap videos. I think I have to find my flow again this week. We still have tomorrow, we still have Friday to trade, so I'll try to connect at least 3 or 4 accounts again. Maybe 6 was too much for me. I mean, I don't know. Well, actually, it wasn't too much, because I was actually watching 1 account, but that's what happened. And I'm pretty much down right now. I should be at the New York stream, and I had to take a walk. And so be careful with day trading like this. Errors can come, but you know, all the difference happens when you can tell yourself that you're walking away. So I mean, when you really walk away. I can't talk, guys. I had to tell this to you. Today there is not going to be a New York stream, and this is the daily recap video, technically. How I blown 4 accounts. And again, it's not about the evaluation account money. It's not about that registration. It's about the work that I put in. The past 1 month. Time is the most and the precious value to me. Time, really. You guys will realize it soon enough, that time and health, of course, and family, but time is the biggest value. So again, I don't care about the last 2 Bulenox accounts, but the Apex accounts, that hurts me. That really hurts me that I've blown it. So it is what it is. We continue to trade the same way. I mean, not this way as we used to on the streams, and that's it. The giveaway is still on, by the way. Check out the video about the giveaway. It's going to be happening tomorrow after the New York session, so after market close. And yeah, I would like to hear your comments, guys. I'm not licking my wounds or anything. I just wanted to be honest with everyone. I would like to hear your comments. What do you say? What would you have done differently, or whatever, you know? What do you think about this situation? Anyway, thanks for watching. It was a long video. I did not edit this one. It's just a raw video that it happens to everyone, right? Okay, guys. See you on the live streams.